channel Arafat's Gaming Board. In today's video, I'm going to show you the advantages of downloading YouTube Pink or YouTube Vanced, whatever it is. In my last video, I told her that if you guys get me 10 likes, I'm gonna bring the part 2. You guys gave me 10 likes, so here is the part 2 of this of that video of YouTube using YouTube Vanced or YouTube Pink, whatever it is. So there are 4 features about downloading this particular application of YouTube. You cannot call it a hack because it's a mod. You can say it is modded. So first I'm gonna go to YouTube Pink or YouTube Vanced, whatever it says. So here you can on the screen you can see that I'm going to YouTube Pink. YouTube Pink is loading, and suppose number 1 feature is YouTube Pink is completely ad free, because nowadays YouTube brings lots of ads which is particularly very annoying. So but in this YouTube Pink or YouTube Vanced, whatever it says, it's completely ad free. Suppose I'm gonna click on this Mr. B's video.
Mr. Beast is only 22 years old, but he is making 90.
Suppose I'm gonna click it again. No ads. Again, I'm gonna click a video. You can see on my screen. I'm not gonna do some editing. You can see on the screen again. I'm gonna just click on another video.
Today, me and the crew are going.
If you go to the original YouTube application, there's a lot of it which is particularly very annoying, and I do not like that at all. And number 2 is if your phone is supported, this app is for you. So if your phone is 4K supported, this app is for you. I told you 10 seconds before. I'm telling you again. Suppose your phone is 4K supported, but in normal YouTube app you cannot give 4K. But if you have a 4K phone, you need to go to settings on the screen. You can see on the screen settings. Then go to general. Not go to general. Then go to Vanced settings. For disturbance, go to Vanced settings and click on it, and go to this option. Go to project on the right and click on the it's gonna be disabled first, and then click on enable, and then it's the magic. If your phone is 4K supported, but in normal YouTube you cannot use it. But if in this phone, using it, it's gonna be 4K supported. My phone's not 4K, it's 1080p. Phone it cannot be shown. And number 3 is this app is gonna be used while your phone is while your screen is off, or you're not using that app. Suppose I'm clicking on this video.
A lot of folks are taking the internet-fueled idea of storming Area 51.
It was a joke, but one the Air Force is taking seriously.
The U.S. Air Force always stands ready to...
If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like and a comment. So that is what it is, guys. Bye-bye.